Ethic Boss Production. Presents. Bishop Bastard's Son. New Jamaican movie. Starring Sister Petra. Jeremaih.
I don't know what I'm going to do about this situation. I don't know how to handle this right now. But I have to make him know. I have to know the truth. How am I going to tell him this? Father God, please help me. Help me, man. Errol! Why this hard for me now? Errol!
Yes, mommy.
Come here. What the little boy could I do in there?
What no, mommy?
Sit down, I want to talk to you about something very important.
What no, you sick?
No, I don't sick. Errol, I don't know how to tell you this, you know. I don't know how to start it. I don't know how you have to angle it. But I just have to say it.
What no, mommy, talk now?
As you know that I leave, right?
Yes, mommy.
I get a little trip and I have to take it. You know that?
Yes, mommy.
I no plan for leave you in the yard. You see how your relative them treat you and me?
Yes, mommy. So you carry me?
No, you can't go. But you remember every minute you ask about your father?
Yes, mommy, you're saying dead.
To be honest, your father not dead.
What you mean, mommy?
Your father is alive and him alright.
All the while you tell me saying dead, mommy, when you could have introduced me to him or something, mommy.
Your father know you and you know your father too.
Oh, if you know my father, I never see me. Every time me ask you, you tell me saying dead. What is you really I can't tell me saying I'm mourning now?
You promise me say you won't get upset.
I mean,
You can't make me that promise. Me know you love loud up your mouth. But you see what me I go tell you? Me no need you to feel loud up on me. Me just want you to know that me did young and naive. But now me come to realize life. So we do some sitting in our life when we the young and boy them disgraceful. And then make you feel so ashamed. Then haunt you right up to your old age.
I understand, mommy, but you can tell me who, mommy. God, this not supposed to be no problem, mommy.
It's not supposed to be no problem. A big problem.
Is a gunman, mommy?
No. Gunman? Me? Me, you're nice and clean, mother. If you go there with a gunman, you're mad?
I'm going to finish play a game, you know.
Nobody tell me about no game right now, please. Please, you not understand, you not understand. It's hard for me to just come out with it like that. I don't know what you're going to say. I know you're going to react one way, but I beg you, man. Nobody with the loudness, because I want to tell you all along, I just never know how to tell you.
It's a police, mommy.
Who you talk to? Which police? No, darling.
Mommy said just tell me, no, man.
I'm afraid of them a police are like a post. You can't trust them. Them worse than the gunman. Alright. Your father is a bishop.
Bishop.
A bishop of a church. I mean a leader of churches.
You know who is a bishop, mommy, so why you afraid to introduce me to him? I mean, he's a well-known man then, and he's a man of God. Why you afraid to introduce me to him?
You not hear me say he's a what?
A bishop.
Then if me say I'm a bishop, him no must a married man.
So a married man, what kind of sickness you tell me say in the morning here?
Then that's why I'm ashamed.
So people, man, you're there with mommy.
Lord have mercy, you can't turn on your mouth. Turn down your volume, man.
Mommy, so that means saying a sin you get me then, mommy. Must see that's why so much destruction there for me, so.
No bother with it. No bother with it.
What you mean by no bother with it?
You see why I'm afraid to tell you? Well, alright, me just
So you have
tell
to breed for smarty man now.
After me, I know the first time, me won't
And
be the
in a
last.
church, you I mean, I don't understand. That's why every minute
Alright,
you
let me
say
just...
one God church is a problem. Just through your mistake, you want me can go to church and then something there. So what's so specialized in that the church make you don't want me go to church none at all?
Because your dead stamp on your papa. The two are identical twin.
So nobody no come to me ask me about him then since me dead stamp on him. I mean no know how. I mean no see no man in a village or whosoever me favor. I mean,
well, maybe the reason why them never come to you is because through them know me when yam after their head. Me when yam them like a voucher. So maybe that's why them keep it like that.
Mommy, so when you do that now, if this leak in a school or anything, me not have to go hold my head down low, mommy,
They not pay them no mind. After you won't be the first one who go to school or something and you will get over it.
Mommy, you see where you cause for me now. Look how much man there in the world and you look for go mix up yourself with bishop and people, man, at that.
It's not because me didn't want to, you not even ask me what caused me to do that.
But me no
why
want
you
know
couldn't
what
ask
caused
me?
that, because if you go to church and you know your Bible every minute, you tell me to read Bible and sit. You know so that a terrible sin, mommy, if you go in a people relationship.
Yes, it's true. It's
so
wrong.
what push you in a that as young girl and you never see nobody else in a church where you could have talked
Yes,
to?
me did see other person
and
in there.
Single man in a...
Single man was in there, but let me tell you what really happened.
A high standard man you want, mommy. That's why you
I
don't go
standard man.
bishop.
No. Jesus Christ. Just tone down yourself now.
Mommy,
Errol, I beg me the beg. You know, I feel loud up here, so you're not supposed to make your family
Everybody
them here.
are going to know, mommy.
Let me tell you what really happened. I was going to church and after me get saved in the church, you know. And me baptized. Nothing never did I go on. Because you know when you just go in a church and you're baptized and even if you didn't have a good job or you have a job or something, you know so everything tear down and taken from you. So when me go church now, me never did have nothing. Me did hungry and something. So, and as you know that your grandmother died, so me never have nobody to help me. And I went...
You could have go look one look at day's work or you could have clean up rubbish or you could have do something.
Just
mommy.
hear me out
or
now.
even sell bag juice at town or something.
Me to sell bag juice?
Why you gonna mix up yourself with Bishop now?
Just hear me out now. You're not even waiting. Me not say no. Even though you're young and you understand. But my God, let me finish talking and then you will understand what me when I go through. So as me I tell you say, I was young and vulnerable. So I mean it look good and me pretty and nice.
Mommy don't want to hear about
and
that,
it look
mommy.
like it's that the bishop see.
Don't blame it on him, mommy, because if you never get yourself involved with him, that he wouldn't reach yourself. And you accept it, mommy, so no come blame him.
Me not blame him, but the point is, me when going to church, me never know what it is like. Me feel so well, it is okay. And after me did that, me tell you, after me get saved and me
baptized. Right, you know that now make no sense to me.
Listen to me, I tell you how it is whether you like it or not. Me say when me going to church, nothing never did I go on for me. And me did hungry. And me I tell you, say most of the church people them can't afford it and they don't even call me at the yard and give me little food. And sometimes me don't have no food to eat.
You ask them?
Me not ask them, but so if you're in the church, listen to me.
How them them can read?
Me not have it. Just the way a person look, not because you try to put yourself together with the old clothes or something. But if you are in a church and you realize that a church sister or a church brother not working or something, and you have a little extra something, you don't give it to them. That is what the Lord wants.
Mommy, nobody can read mine, mommy. You have to ask, and
you
say,
know,
after you shall be given, mommy.
Receive,
and that the Bible
yeah.
say whatsoever, mommy.
But listen.
So what you tell me say that young lad pretty up your side?
I'm not pretty enough. Listen to me now and shut your mouth while me talk. He said that's what church people supposed to do, know that I'm mature and I understand. If you're going to church and you see somebody that is less fortunate than you and you have it, nobody not have to know. You buy your shoes, you give them a little $5,000 or $10,000 or whatever, you have $50,000 to help towards something. That is what we are supposed to do as brethren. We're supposed to live like we are sisters and brothers. So even that
mommy and the bishop know your crisis. Why him get involved with that? Why never give you something out of the offering them a collect
That is what I'm saying.
Why look you or why you push yourself on him?
Lord Jesus. Why me push myself on him? I go in church, I never expect this. No. When I go in church, I was on the choir and I was the lead singer.
I don't know why you come tell all me this for this morning now, you know.
So you don't want to hear my story?
Mommy, don't want to hear no story, mommy.
Oh, you mean you don't want to hear?
So really
so when people start to mock you, at least you will know the truth and the truth will be in your heart and you will be free.
Mommy,
you're supposed to learn to listen to your parents, you know.
There's no truth in this, mommy, and they have all...
Errol, shut your mouth. No. Me I go tell you how it is and me say shut your mouth. No, you get out of hand. Me keep this for how many years and now I want to tell my son because I am
better
leaving.
keep it till
Well, you have to
forever,
know who
mommy.
is the father because I'm not going to be here and he's going to help you. Because
What you mean by me is going to help me? What you mean by that?
Alright, yeah, you know.
You don't understand
You
that
see the
statement,
school
them,
where
mommy.
you go, this school that you've been going to from you're a baby until now, is in my mind. You.
So how me not know him and how me never see him yet. So
Him
that
see
means
you.
how no meet up then.
Yes, because me have to go for your allowance.
So that means you still have to do something same with
Me
him.
not do nothing with him, but me have to get your allowance. Because me not working. You understand what I say? And you won't even give me a chance to talk. You just a yap. And yes, what you're saying makes sense. But you need to hear my point. I don't want you to sugarcoat my point. I'm just saying to you that these are the things that is happening in church. It happened to me. It's my downfall. Me feel shame. Me feel bad about the situation. Me sorry. Me couldn't turn back the end of time. I would never do it because I understand life now. And I realize that what we do wrong, but most of all, the bishop is more wrong because he's supposed to live like he is the shepherd for the sheep. Not to take disadvantage of the sheep because the sheep them can hardly help themselves. It is not my fault alone. I acknowledge some sin and I come short, it stand up in my face every day.
Me understand, mommy. So what you say, when you're gone now, me have to go, what going to happen now? What am I going to do for me? Am I going to continue, make me go to school?
No talk with a man tone there for me. No talk with a man tone there for me. I beg you, cut it out too. Turn down your volume. You see, when you feel like that tone there come up on the I pitch, just turn it down right there, so. Me not say you can't talk your truth and your feelings, but respect you. You're not gonna be like them boogie like a pick no, don't have no respect for parents, where I shout like them are the parents. Don't do it. As I was saying, you see how your people them angry we? Your sister, we are the black sheep, then don't like we have to just creep one side in the room by ourselves. Me can't leave your ear with them because them are
So
going
no
to
might
you.
where you do, mommy, and where they know say I am my father.
All that too.
Make me become the black sheep and me no know nothing where you going with.
But now you know. Me say me make a mistake,
So
I'm
your
sorry.
sin now befall me.
Well, as the Bible say, the parents up the grape and they set the pit in them teeth edge. It's not because I want to do that.
Well, I know, so it should have go. I should have the parents, them feel it, them rat, not the pit in them.
Honey, I feel real bad. I feel bad for you. And I know the judgment where you are going to face. I'm sorry.
So why you have to go with then, mommy, if you know say
I have to leave to make life better for me and you.
You can't stay, you make life better too.
Well, I get the opportunity and I'm not going to let that opportunity fly away and leave me. Me flying it down. But as I was saying that, I'm going to call your father and I'm going to let your father know that I am leaving, so he would have to keep you.
Keep me where?
Up in my yard.
Mommy, but you're dry eye and bare face.
So what?
You want me go up there so now when man, wife and pitney them there I'm gonna mash up the man life and that come like
no,
say
I don't want you mash it up. Me don't want you mash it up.
If you go make me go up there so now you know come like say me bare face in it too. Mommy, you know look on my side, you know, when me go up there so now where and the woman go find out this and sitting, where you think I go happen? And me wreck the life and you because you take yourself and jump in a plane gone live the life of your dream. Meanwhile, me there on your box road.
As soon as me reach up there, me beg somebody file for you.
Mommy,
as soon as me reach up there,
file come for just say and the way the world
I joke me a make man. Me not go up there for stay. Me just go up there for 6 months.
Mommy, me no want you go none at all, mommy.
Me can't stay.
This is where your sin cast, so you clear it up right now by staying here.
Alright, I'm going to clear it up with me now, Tanya. But as I was saying, I'm going to find out from him if he can keep you for 5 months.
Mommy, so why you not go to the woman and tell the woman
who you
what
talking
you do?
to?
So why you want
me
to bring me go there now?
No. Me not go before. Or me if you go face that the judgment.
So how you want me if you go face that the judgment?
Child, just pretend say you never know, you just know. I can't go do that. After me take the woman husband, and that is a disgrace. Me can't do that. I'm just saying that just spend a little time with your father so you get to know him.
Mommy, no want to know nobody, mommy, because me I do without him how much years now. So
No,
why
you're not do without him. He's always in your life. Don't do that. Me not tell no lie upon him.
That a behind the scene, mommy, me don't know him same way, mommy. And I'll know you don't tell me who, you know.
Lord of mercy, say how me so fearful. It is Jeremiah
Which Jeremiah that? Jeremiah will live up the road there, sir?
with Josiah.
Jesus Christ, mommy, say you know, when you do that now, and that the woman there, mommy.
So respectful. Me know, me shame. She's so respectful.
So when times...
But she would take your man. Me know her too hard. She's such a nice lady. She would keep you. She have a quarrel, but me guarantee say she have a keep you. The woman have a good heart, man.
Mommy,
No,
she respectable as you say, mommy. So why the two of you sit down and discuss it? The three of you at
Trey
that.
who?
You sit down round table
Not
and
me.
discuss the matter and tell him where you go wrong and make him talk and what so it that easier for me now, mommy.
Alright, I'm going to hear what your father said then.
I don't want to hear,
Where are you going?
I don't want to hear nothing more this now.
Where are you going?
Sure.
Where are you going? Jesus Christ. You see me dying trial? One mistake in your life when you're young can just mash up the future. I don't blame him, you know. I don't blame him. All of what him say is so true. But you have to understand, say, me never did. Me did young. And I wouldn't want that for him. And me never want to tell. Never did want to tell him, but me have to tell him. You know what? Let me go call Jeremiah and tell him what happened. As him have to take him, me can't let him here. So all of why I kick up rumpus, him have to go up to go live. One way or the other. Maybe he find somewhere rent and put him. But him can't stay here. Because them are going to kill him, them are going to yam him up. And I don't want that. Because I don't want to leave foreign and come out here before time. Let me go call him. Honey, God is so good to us. Look how you're sweet and look so nice. You're handsome and look rosy like we could have married again.
It's true, you know, my wife.
The reason why I'm saying that, you know, you remember where we're coming from?
Why, my wife, sometime when me look back where we coming from, my wife, somebody tell them, I just have to shake me. Do you remember when we used to all carry water upon our head?
Oh, you mean from down at the river? Lord have mercy. I never know that those days will ever end. Because when you're going through the crisis, it come like it's forever and ever and ever. It just come like it don't choke with to death, you know.
That's why I know, my wife. When you see a man down, you know, my wife, you can't quick to write him off, you know,
No,
because
sir.
you don't know when later will. You understand?
That's the reason why they say one not dead, no call it uppy.
Exactly.
Because who could have tell us that we would look so nice, you would be wearing these expensive clothes?
Ah, boy. You have to just wait until your change comes.
That is it, and trust in the Lord. Look how God this is shine power. Oh Lord. My husband,
Ah, boy.
I'm so grateful for you. You just stand by me all the way, even when you remember when you just come in the village. Lord of mercy, they call you good for nothing, man.
So stick on board.
I'm glad you remember that.
But now, my wife, all of that changed. Now I'm respectable. Sir? Mr.?
They have to say, sir.
Mr.?
Mr. Brown.
Bishop?
Bishop Brown. Ah!
Wife, it's been a journey.
It is. What a testimony we have.
And we now have to make up nothing.
No, honey.
Right?
Not
And that
at
is
all.
the greatest thing when people can feel your pain.
Yes.
More than when you don't have a testimony, you know, my wife. You just sound dry.
Yes. And what I realized, you know, the other day I heard a story. I heard them saying that when you're down, don't feel ashamed when you're in the gutter. Because the people them was seeing and they got and laugh after you and skin up them face.
They can go down there.
They can go down there, and when God put you up on the mountain top, is the same people them were used to put you down when you're down in the gutter and you feel ashamed down there. God are gonna make them see you, and them have to respect you up there. That is the God what we serve. Is who calling you, honey? Who is calling you?
No, it's a private number.
Oh. So answer it now. Put it on speaker.
Hello?
Put it on speaker now.
My wife torn down now? Yes?
Is who? Who is it?
My wife, ease up. Ease up the more.
Why you should get up? Put the phone on speaker. Who is talking to you?
My wife, me and my wife is here now, and I don't think I can make it.
Who you telling that is you and your wife is here?
He's one of the church brethren, my wife. Yes.
Who? One of them. They don't have a name. Put it on speaker. Is it Pastor Rose?
Rose.
Oh yes. Remember, I want to talk to him, because the pipe
What
burst round here.
Just turn on little. What you said?
Honey, let me talk to Pastor Rose now.
It's not a good time.
Honey, let me speak to Pastor Rose.
My wife is alright. I'll see you in a few minutes. Just give me a few minutes.
Honey, let me the phone. Let me talk to Pastor Rose.
Him hang up, my wife. Him hang up.
Why Pastor Rose hang up? You don't hear me say I want
Because
to talk
I
to
was
him.
trying to hear what him say. You continue shouting, my wife. He say I should meet him down the road there.
Why Pastor Rose is you're going to meet him down the road, and he said he was coming to the house so that you
My
can
wife,
just...
he have something what he want me to look at.
Down the road?
Yes, my wife, him bringing me to somebody here to pray for them.
Before... Then you're not going to a meeting, you say you
Yes,
were going
but-
to meet up with the other rest of churches?
Yes, my wife, but this matter is a very urgent matter, my wife.
So if it's an urgent matter, honey, why you didn't give me the phone? Because the dog then pop off the pipe round at the back again, And I wanted to talk to him to tell him to come and fix it for me.
But every minute you make the dog, why you don't give dog them sufficient water so they don't have to go around there, my wife?
Well, the dog then pop it off, and I said I want to speak to Pastor Rose, and I tell her to put the phone on speaker so I could talk to him. You're telling me that you can't let me talk to him?
Because it sound like him in distress, my wife, so I didn't want him to talk to you because he discussing something say I should come down the road.
Honey, I don't
My
like
wife,
how
you
you
crush
work.
up my clothes, my wife.
I'm laying down on you from morning and I wasn't crushing it up, and now you say I'm crushing up your clothes?
Wife, I'm going down the road. I don't know
You
if
see
I'm
how
going
you-
to come back up here, my wife.
What you mean by you don't know if
You
you...
can just go straight. Remember that me going on the meeting,
Jeremiah, I'm going to allow you to go on the meeting. Go where you want to go. You see how you let the devil crept in a while ago?
What do you mean by the devil crept in?
But we were here discussing about where we're coming from, and we were talking so nice, and as you get the phone call, it just
Yes,
changed
my
the
wife,
atmosphere.
So what you said, the Lord business don't come first?
It come first, honey, but it's the way how you talk to me as you get the
Somebody
phone
want
call.
prayer and I'm going down the road to give them
I
prayer.
don't have a problem with that, but it's the tone that you talk to me in. I don't like it. I wasn't going to stop you from going to pray for somebody, but all of a sudden you're telling me about me if you come off of your clothes because you crush it up. Me a crushing it up. I don't like that, honey. You must learn to talk to people,
Well, I'm sorry, my wife. I'm very sorry. Just forgive me about it. But I was here enjoying myself and now I get the call, so it just frustrates me.
It shouldn't frustrate you because it's something that you used to. You don't normally say you run, go, pray for people, so
spend
why?
a little time with your
So
wife.
that make you upset and throw it on me? As if I am the one that called you
Okay, my
for?
wife, just tone down. Let me go and sort out this matter.
You see? You know, say I'm not going to follow you. You know exactly who I am. So I am not going to let the devil steal my joy this morning. You hear what I said? You better respect yourself. Oh boy. Oh. You not even like meet up yesterday, It bring back too much memories. But what me can do? I don't even know how to tell this a man of this. Why may I tell you? I'm hearing wife in the background that talk about on her phone. I wonder if she hears say I meet up on the phone though. I hope not. I hope me not cause no problem in yard, you know. Cause I never mean to do that, you know. I know me not to call, but I have to make him know what happened.
Petra. Petra.
Hey, Bishop Brown.
What all of this for now? I tell you not to call me here. I give you money since week for the picnic. Why you call the phone for now, Petra? Want put me in a big problem? Where all of this for now? Tell me.
Bishop Brown.
For a big respect to a man like me, people go past me in a bush with you. How you think that look now, Petra?
Good morning. I'm sorry about that.
Sure.
I'm sorry. No most emergency why me call you.
What the emergency? Errol dead?
No, Errol don't dead.
So what the emergency? Why we couldn't talk about this on the phone?
I don't like the tone where you come to me with, you know, sir. It must something why me call you. I hope me never get you in a trouble. Me
You
get
get
you in
me
a trouble.
in a problem because my wife mood change and everything.
I'm
you
sorry
call me,
about
me not
that.
even know what to tell her say. Because me never expect for you to call me now because I just give you money last week. What is
Well,
the problem?
alright, let me just get to the point.
Simple as that.
Me leaving and me going abroad, you know. Me going there for about
So
6
that
or
you
5
really
months.
call me about Petra?
Yes, that's what me calling you about. You know why me really call about it? Because I cannot leave Errol at the yard. Me want you to take Errol. Because
What you say a while ago?
I said I want you to take Errol because you know so them don't treat you
Take
good at
Errol
the yard.
where?
Up at your house.
Petra, what you really have said to me this morning, yeah, Petra? Take Errol at which house? And my wife don't know about that child nor nothing.
But you have to go and share it with him because I cannot leave him there because they want to crucify him. You see how them angle both of us in the yard. You see them don't want me there.
Petra, me and my wife been getting along so good for this past year and now you want me and I live like hog and dog?
Well,
Huh? You Petra?
Bishop, do you not feel so one of the day all of this will expose? Tell me which secret now what wanna expose. Tell me.
What are you wanted exposed now?
Well, I cannot do anything about it. And moreover, me tired of tell the boy lie. The picnic needing father. Me now gonna hold this no more. Me tell him this morning and he don't angle it good because he can't believe say he's really a bishop. Breed me.
I don't know what to say now.
Oh, you mean say you don't know what to say?
I don't know what to say and I don't know what to
You
do.
see the disgrace where you don't cast from the church now? And how long you think say God when don't wrap up with this? How long you think say God when don't hold it? Every hidden secret they expose nowadays. And me not keep it no more. Because the boy need help. And him need a father figure in his life. And me I go away. So me not go left him down in my yard with my people them. And that me I tell you. So, with all due respect, Bishop Brown, you have to think about it. I don't know how you are going to angle this. But you have to go tell your wife. Because him not stay down there. Unless you want to rent somewhere and put him there, and you know say he's an underage child.
He cannot stay by himself. So Petra, you have to go. I can give you more money to stay.
I don't want any more money. I'm very sorry. I have to go get the little experience.
So that is your plan all the while, to sink me now.
If it was my plan, don't you feel someone would sink you from him barn? You know, see that picnic can't hide. Well, look here. When you were doing your little hanky-panky, you should have known that one of the day, everything was going to expose.
You know, says you the devil send for come disgrace me now. Is you the devil send to disgrace me now, you know.
If
you know
you
that
want to
you was the plan all the while. You was the deceiver and I didn't see it until now, you know.
Well,
He set a good trap.
Bishop,
but I will angle it.
You will handle it. Bishop, that is to teach you a lesson and the rest of Bishop them. That when God given you a mission, I want to say the young people them coming at the church, leave them alone.
I know that
leave them
you
alone.
is the weapon farm against. Anyway, Petra.
I am the weapon farm against
Petra,
you.
I will go and tell my wife this because this has to come out so I can get back to where I am.
Okay, yes. But
Okay,
I
Petra.
want this to register in your brain.
Thank you for what you do.
So what you run into?
Petra. Thank you.
Well, that will teach you a lesson as bishops. That when you sit down on altar up there, you must leave people, girl pitney alone and people boy pitney. You don't leave them alone. You run from it. Well, me now go left my pitney there, so too bad for you. And that me I tell you. Oh.
Etik, I'm sorry, you know. I don't know what come over me. Please forgive me, baby. Forgive me, give me another chance.
Girl, you never rate me, me don't see it. You only did want me money, we go run street. When me a tour in the house, they make a man sleep. A man in for your clothes, please come feel. Girl, you never rate me, me don't see it. You only did want me money, we go run street. When me a tour in the house, they make a man sleep. A man in for your clothes, please come feel. Every day me out there trying to make two ends meet, so the two we life can complete. Sometimes the journey hard and tough like concrete. My boot bust till me toe you a see. Never yet have it one day in my mind figure cheat. Cause the two we life was so sweet. Can't believe you make a next man curl up in a me sheet. When me tell you say me a come next week. Girl, you never rate me, me don't see it. You only did want me money fi go run street. When me a tour in the house, they make a man sleep. A man in for your clothes, please come feed. Girl, you never rate me, me don't see it. You only did want me money fi go run street. When me a tour in the house, they make a man sleep. A man in for your clothes, please come feed. Life is a choice and you make it wrong move. Me see you never want nothing, you a damn fool. Now you a call my phone, tell me say you confused. Girl, stop with the line and the lame excuse. Can't take the back of argument and dispute. Please go on your way, me will chat my route. Girl, me did have plans for you. Me to the world marriage, me did have consider. Girl, you never rate me, me don't see it. You only did want me money, we go run street. When me a tour in the house, they make a man sleep. A man in for your clothes, please come feed. Girl, you never rate me, me don't see it. You only did want me money, we go run street. When me a tour in the house, they make a man sleep. A man in for your clothes, please come feed. Every day me out there trying to make two ends meet, so the two we life can complete. Sometimes the journey hard and tough like concrete. My boot bust till me toe you a see. Never yet have it one day in my mind figure cheat. Cause the two we life was so sweet. Can't believe you make a next man curl up in a me sheet. When me tell you say me a come next week. Girl, you never rate me, me don't see it. You only did want me money fi go run street. When me a tour in the house, they make a man sleep. A man in for your clothes, please